The Intel Xeon E5-1660 v3 is a high-performance central processing unit (CPU), designed for use in enterprise-level servers, workstations, and other high-demand computing environments. The processor was first introduced by Intel in the third quarter of 2014 as part of its Haswell-based lineup of Xeon processors. In this article, we will delve into the specifications of the Intel Xeon E5-1660 v3 CPU and explore its capabilities and potential use cases. Processor Overview. The Intel Xeon E5-1660 v3 is a 6-core processor with a base clock speed of 3.0 GHz. It also features Intel's hyper-threading technology, which allows each of the processor's 6 cores to execute 2 threads simultaneously, effectively doubling the number of processing threads available. This results in a total of 12 threads available for processing, making the Xeon E5-1660 v3 an excellent choice for multi-threaded applications such as video rendering, scientific simulations, and data analysis. The processor also includes Intel's Turbo Boost technology, which dynamically increases the processor's clock speed to up to 3.5 GHz depending on the workload being executed. This means that the Xeon E5-1660 v3 can provide additional performance when it is needed most, allowing it to handle bursts of processing activity without sacrificing overall system performance. Memory support. The Xeon E5-1660 v3 supports up to 4 channels of DDR4 memory, providing a maximum memory bandwidth of 68 GB per second. It also supports registered DCC memory, which is essential for use in servers and workstations where data integrity is critical. Registered DCC memory provides an additional layer of error correction over standard DCC memory, ensuring that data stored in memory is accurate and reliable. The processor supports a maximum memory capacity of 768 GB, which can be achieved using 64 GB DIMMs in each of the 4 memory channels. This high memory capacity makes the Xeon E5-1660 v3 an ideal choice for applications that require large amounts of memory, such as virtualization, high-performance computing, and database servers. Platform support. The Intel Xeon E5-1660 v3 is designed for use in the LGA 2011 v3 socket, which is compatible with Intel's C612 chipset. The C612 chipset provides a range of features and capabilities that are ideal for use in server and workstation environments, including support for multiple PCIe lanes, USB 3.0, SATA 3, and Intel's Advanced Vector Extensions, AVX, instruction set. The processor is also compatible with Intel's hyper-threading technology, which allows the processor to execute multiple threads simultaneously, effectively doubling the number of processing threads available. This makes the Xeon E5-1660 v3 an excellent choice for multi-threaded applications, where multiple threads can be executed simultaneously to improve performance. Power consumption. The Xeon E5-1660 v3 has a thermal design power, TDP, of 140 watts, which is higher than the TDP of many other processors on the market. This high TDP is due to the processor's high performance and multi-threading capabilities, which require a significant amount of power to operate efficiently. However, despite its high TDP, the Xeon E5-1660 v3 is still an energy-efficient processor compared to other processors with similar capabilities. Intel's Turbo Boost technology dynamically adjusts the processor's clock speed and voltage to optimize performance and power consumption, ensuring that the processor operates efficiently under a wide range of workloads. Use cases. The Intel Xeon E5-1660 v3 is an ideal processor for use in high-performance computing environments, such as scientific simulations, data analysis, and virtualization. Its multi-threading. Scientific simulations. Scientific simulations are highly compute-intensive and often require large amounts of memory. The Xeon E5-1660 v3's high clock speed, multi-threading capabilities, and support for large amounts of memory make it an excellent choice for these types of applications. In particular, the processor's support for AVX and AVX2 instruction sets can provide a significant boost in performance for applications that are optimized for these instruction sets. These instructions sets are designed to improve the performance of floating-point arithmetic operations, which are common in scientific simulations. Data analysis. Data analysis is another area where the Xeon E5-1660 v3 excels. Many data analysis applications, such as machine learning and deep learning, rely heavily on parallel processing to analyze large datasets quickly. The Xeon E5-1660 v3's support for multi-threading, combined with its high clock speed and large memory capacity, makes it an excellent choice for these types of applications. In addition, the processor's support for AVX and AVX2 instruction sets can provide a significant performance boost for these applications. Virtualization. Virtualization is another area where the Xeon E5-1660 v3 can shine. Virtualization allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical server, which can significantly reduce hardware costs and improve system flexibility. The Xeon E5-1660 v3's support for multi-threading and large memory capacity make it an excellent choice for virtualization applications. The processor's support for AVX and AVX2 instruction sets can also provide a significant performance boost for virtualization applications that are optimized for these instruction sets. Overall, the Intel Xeon E5-1660 v3 is a powerful processor that is ideal for use in high-performance computing environments such as scientific simulations, data analysis, and virtualization. Its high clock speed, support for multi-threading, large memory capacity, and support for AVX and AVX2 instruction sets make it a versatile and capable processor that can handle even the most demanding workloads. While the Xeon E5-1660 v3 may have a higher TDP than some other processors, its energy-efficient design and dynamic power management capabilities ensure that it operates efficiently while providing exceptional performance. If you are looking for a processor that can handle the most demanding computing tasks, the Intel Xeon E5-1660 v3 is an excellent choice.